guys, it's your man WHP Official, and in today's video we got the extended version of that Audi S8. But before that, yo, hit the like button, subscribe, share it, send this to a friend. You got a friend that likes cars or something, somebody, cousin, family, send it to him. I actually went to that car, man. I saw the dude again. Yo, he was cool. I didn't ride in it this time, but he was cool. And man, that's the fastest car I've ever been in, guys. Also, yo, check out Yanaka Motorsports, man. I'll put the link in the description. They make quality products, bro. I already have their exhaust. I've had it for like 2 years, I think. About 2 years. Love it. I'm gonna get a review for that. Also gonna get some exhaust clips for you guys, but I know you guys don't want to hear me talking, so let me continue to the video. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Dude, he's saying this car is faster than all of these cars out here, and there's a freaking Lambo. Still sounds good though.
Oh, dude, it's faster than every fucking car
in the S8. This is crazy.
Running the Dyna Spectrum tuning platform here.
Oh, wow.
Just came out last February.
So I heard this is around 800 horsepower or something like that?
Yeah, 800 wheel and over 900 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels.
Jeez.
So it's all about the torque of this car.
Did you upgrade? This is turbo, right?
Yeah.
Is it on stock turbo or did you upgrade?
No, it's a hybrid stock housing. Compressor's been upgraded from turbines are stock, so you get low, quick spool.
Right.
And then the compressors are upgraded from 49s to 61s, 61s.
Dang. What's the difference?
30 in power, or
with the hybrid turbo compared to the other ones?
Oh, I mean, you get almost no more lag, but you go from 625 wheel to 800 wheel.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
But I'm running ethanol too, so.
Oh, okay.
Get ready.
All right, shoot.
No hands, Miles. You can't hold on. You just gotta.
I'm holding on to the phone.
No hands on the thing.
Oh. Dang. Yo. God. That feels like a roller coaster. Goodness. Oh my God.
Yeah, so it's like a 2.79 or something. So with traction, we have pretty decent traction. But in the summer, we're getting 2.6s with four people in the car.
Dang. Right, yeah, this car is actually packed, guys. You can't really see, but it's full car.
Yeah, it's 4,600 pounds.
Goodness.
You got your massage chairs up there.
Wow. This is real luxury.
Luxury and speed, baby. Luxury and speed.
Yep. Look at the gauge. Oh, that's dope. This car is awesome.
And this is the first time I've seen him get in the triple digits.
Oh, man.
It's a whole different ballgame from like 70 to triple. That's crazy.
Goodness, this is nice. Thank you for giving us a ride. Shoot.
Enjoy it.
Man, this is nice. Goodness.
Yeah, you smell those brakes. I didn't get going too fast because the brakes still need to cool off a bit.
Right. So one more question for you. When you bought this car, were you expecting to mod it, or?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you were?
The second week, well, I scheduled with Autobahn Performance to do APR Stage 2 right away. When I bought the car, when I knew I was buying the car, because I had another APR car. My car, I had a Mark 6 Golf R. It was Stage 3. It was the development car for APR Stage 3 package.
Wow.
It made a 485 wheel.
Oh my God, this thing is crazy fast.
That was just 0 to 60 miles. 0 to 60.
Right, dude. It feels. Man, I know there's like a G-force thing on this or something. Goodness, you can feel it. Wants to pull you further out of your seat. Yeah, the traffic getting in the way.
Yeah, it's okay.
So you said you had a Golf with stage 3, Golf R?
Golf R, yeah. So I knew what I wanted to see. I liked the APR. I wanted to see, you know, what the next step up was, and this, you know, this and the RS7. The RS7 was too small in the back seat for me.
Right.
So that's why I wanted the S8. And yeah, I wanted. What's the highest horsepower, you know, APR modded car there is? So that was the RS7 and the S8.
Wow.
And then APR only goes up to stage 2, so they kind of abandoned this 4-liter platform. So you know, Dyna Spectrum took over last February, and then since then, all kinds of vendors have been coming to market with stuff. There's guys running a 1200 wheel in these things now.
1200 wheel.
Yeah, there's an S8. Bulgarian guy has an S8 that makes almost 1200 wheel. Does a 60 to 130 in 3.8 seconds.
60. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's like built GTR territory.
That is. So do you have to rebuild the transmission when you do that? Or?
Tranny is a ZF8. It's the same tranny as in the Hellcat, as in all the big Mercedes. It's an 8-speed. It's not a dual clutch per se. It's just it's very fast shifting. It's good for 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow.
So when you go big turbos, you actually go down in torque. This is making like 9, you know, high 9s, probably, you know, crank. Well, I don't know if that's rated by wheel, but anyway, tranny's been fine.
Right.
You have to, you know, have an upgraded engine mounts, drive shaft carrier to keep everything aligned.
Right.
So you're not blowing out your differentials. But yeah, when you go bigger turbos, your torque goes down a little, and they just spin the motor faster, and you make all your power up high.
Wow.
These turbos, they're all about the torque. You know, the torque's at 3,500 RPM. So that's why it almost feels like an electric car the way it launches.
Like almost instant torque, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because we're launching at $3,000 and peak torque's at 3,500. So.
Goodness, that is crazy. Yeah, with that first takeoff, I was like, goodness, this thing is crazy.
I've done over 500 launches in this thing, and we break the differential to drive shaft bolts, and then I just replace those every 2 oil changes, and haven't broken them since. So, you know, no axles broken, no diffs, nothing.
Really?
Motor's good for 1,000 wheel horsepower on stock internals.
Goodness.
So it's a very stout platform. And we're moving a 4,600 pound car, you know. With
this is a big car. Yeah. And we're in it.
So it's very stout.
Wow. Yeah. I'm really impressed. I didn't know Audi was like that. Goodness.
Yeah. I take this over a 63 AMG, over even a BMW MA competition. I take this. Because you can take it quite a few steps above where it is now.
Right, yeah, the transmission holds and the engine holds. Oh my goodness.
Well, you got to build the motor to get, you know, to go big turbo.
Right.
But the tranny's good to go.
The transmission, yeah. That's really impressive. Wow. So Audi knows they have an aftermarket section over there.
Well, yeah, I mean, this platform is kind of dated. It's been around since 2013. The D4 for the S8 and the C7 for the RS7. Yeah, they have the new one out, which is similar, but it's heavier. It's like 500 pounds heavier than the new one.
Right.
So it's a little dated, but you know, so they're coming onto market. Oh, there you go. Yeah, coming into market. Into market. You know, like secondhand market is huge right now. You can build yourself a 10-second car for here. Let me get out of the way.
All right.
For you know, like a S6, you get 30 grand for the car, and then 15 for upgrading the turbos and all that. You have a 10-second car.
Wow.
It doesn't have the S6 does not have the ZF8 that's in this thing.
Oh, okay.
But so it's less torque.
Still very impressive. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Sir.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'll have to ride in this, man. Oh man, the S8. This was the car we were just in. Not showing plates, but oh my god. But that car is crazy fast, yo.
He's not done with it yet.
He's not done with it. Damn, I should ask him that. Damn.
I'm pretty sure he's gonna do more to that.
That's crazy. This meat is super live. Goodness. I'm definitely coming out again, dude. Thanks for introducing this to me. Still sounds good though.
That sounds crazy.
No, it's not nighttime, but it's the nighttime in that video. It's whoa, and we out.